Hi, welcome with me and my pink basket. Let's go looking for gun now. Follow me please. Wow, look at what is that? Wee, Spider-Man crawling man. Wow, wow. Where is he go? Spider-Man. What is that? Wow, wow. Wee, look at Spider-Man finding her guns. Wow, we stop Spider-Man. Wadidaw, amazing gun Spider-Man. Way, Spider-Man dancing. Wow, amazing. I put my basket. Wow, what is that? Wow, Spider-Man mask. Wow, the best mask. Spider-Man gun. We shot but big and yellow. Wow, amazing. Wow, what is that? What is that? Nerf gun, man. Wow, still on the box. Wow, let's unboxing. What is that? Wow, the best finding. What is that? Amazing. Wow, amazing Nerf gun. Wow, but wow. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 but wow, let's try how to use it. Wadidaw. Wow, I don't know use it. Wow, but it's amazing gun. Wow, I put on my basket before. And wow, amazing man. Wow, let's go. Looking for guns again. Wow. Wow. On the grass. What is this? Wow. Like shotgun. Wadidaw. Wow, on the plastic. Let's unboxing it. Wow. Amazing gun. Wadidaw. Wow. Soft gun. Spy. Wow. Blue guns. Wow, let's try. Wadidaw. Wow, I will try. Shoot. Wow, amazing. It's very good. I will try to shoot. Wow, amazing gun. Blue guns. Wadidaw. Wow. Wow. Let's go. Looking for guns again. Wow, same gun. With this. Wow, 1, 2, 3. Wow, wow. Spider-Man mask. Amazing Spider-Man. Wow, it's same. Wow. Yellow guns. Wadidaw. Red guns. Very amazing. Let's go. Wow. In a little jungle. Wow. Like a bow. Yes. This is bow. Amazing bow. Wow. Wih, this is hand stick. Wadidaw, amazing hand stick. Wow, let's go. Looking for guns. Games. Wow. Wee. Guns on the street. Wow, bad gun. Wadidaw. Very good guns. I put here. Wow. Wih. Spiderman gun. Wow. Gun with sound effect. Look at. Wow. Very amazing. Let's go. Looking for gun again. Wow. Wow. Wih. What is that? What is that? Like a dinos. Wow, two dinos. Hey dinos. What is that? Best dinos. Wow. Amazing dinos. Wow. Dinos? Wih. Dinos? Blue dinos? Wow, what is this? Wow, it's handcuff. Wow, dinos catch with this handcuff. Wow, I put on my basket. Let's go. Looking for gun again. Wih, stop. Many colored guns. Wow, 1, 2, 3, 4 guns. But this is very long guns. Wow, like a weapon. Wow, very long guns. Interesting color. Wow, it's color gun. Guns with good color. Amazing. What is that? Hey. Wow. Wee, Squid Game. Wow, same color. Wow. This is twin gun. Very amazing. Twin guns. Wadidaw. Wee. Let's go. Follow me. Ooh. I found it again. Wow. It's Spiderman guns. Red gun with blue man. Wow. Very amazing. Wow. Let's go. Looking for gun again. Wow. 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 On the middle street. Wee. Wow. Very scary. Wow. This sniff. Wadidaw. Wow, 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 wow. Wow. Amazing. Wow. Wee. Spiderman gun. Wow. Very big. Wadidaw. Wow. Amazing. Let's go. Looking for guns again. Wow. Wait. Wow. Amazing gun. Wow. Best gun. Wow. Amazing gun. Wow. Good gun. Wow. Wait. Let's go. Whoa, stop. Wait. Wow. Yellow. What is this? Wow. This is shield hands. Wow, you can use for keep your arm with this. Okay, I get 2 shield hands. Very good. Wow. Thank you for watching my video. Okay, watch full my video. Please Like, comment, and subscribe, and also share to your friend. I say goodbye.